In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily delete old comments on Instagram. So guys, first of all, open Instagram app on your phone, Android, iPhone, whatever you have. Then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner to head over to your profile. And then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now once you are on this page, you'd have to tap on your activity. And then you'd have to tap on comments on that is the second option. And now finally, once you're on this page, you would be able to find all the comments that you have done on Instagram. Now in my case, I have only 4 comments. I would simply tap on select on the top right corner, select all the comments. You can go through the list and select all of those comments that you want to delete, and then simply tap on delete on the bottom of your screen and then hit delete again, and you are good to go. You have deleted all of your comments, old comments on Instagram. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.